We're on North Seymour Island, taking a walk through a part of the island where the frigates live. And we're so excited. There are so many males that are exhibiting themselves to win the attention and affection of the females. This female looks a little hard to impress, but wow, he's going at it full expansion. 2.5 hours to inflate the pouch on the front, 2.5 hours to deflate.
And that's it.
Oh, she's not interested?
As you can see. Sometimes it's total fake marriage. You stay there for 3 days actually with the other frigate bird, and then you see that for some reason she flies away. Don't worry, don't worry. They well, they do, but they won't do it because you rob it against you. Yeah, so you're just
It's back out again. Whoa.
Tell me when you're ready so I